Taylor.
One of the noises was a sound that had never been heard before.
Is that you, Piglet? Or tell me about it tomorrow. You're... Oh, come in, Christopher Robin.
Now, Pooh, being a bear of very little brain, decided to invite the new sound in.
You're serious? This is what you're gonna do?
Sundown. We haven't got much time.
Sundown. Of course. Danny, what you're talking about is crazy. I know what they are. What they can do. This is not something you just walk into.
This is what I'm supposed to do. This is for me only.
Danny...
I've been doing this for 15 years.
The more you talk, the weirder this gets.
Pepper is asleep. What was that? Flying past the window.
Look!
And what was that noise?
George! There's a loud banging noise coming from the roof.
Go, 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 shawty. It's your birthday. We gon' party. It's your birthday. We gon' sip a party. It's your birthday. And you know we don't give a fuck. It's not your birthday.